I'm pushing P, that's my favorite alphabet. She let me do as I please on my alphabet. When your lawyer paid off, you don't have to.
Yo, welcome back to another video with your boy. Man, if you don't know, bro, today is August the 31st, 2023. You know what that means, bro. Today is National Matchmaking Day. I ain't even know that was a thing. I just seen that on Paramount. They talking about National Matchmaking Day. I said, I got an idea. Nah, for real. So we about to go on Monkey today. See if we can find us a match. You feel me? What Michael Jackson say? PYT, pretty young thing. To the video, man, go down and like, subscribe. We 3 away from 60 subscribers, man. If you can go down there and subscribe, bro, drop a like. I appreciate that. We're gonna get straight to the video for the ones off. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, all this subscription. See if we can find me a match. Gang. What's the word, bro?
I ain't go.
I don't care. He gonna say some off the wall stuff that I'm not trying to hear, bro. On everything, bro. I don't care about none of that.
I got 2 poles and I got 2 bad bitches. I need you to become my Robin.
Bro, go ahead with that, bro. Go ahead. Like, bro, the Fiends is out. It's 10:28. The Fiends is out, bro. I'm better than your dad. I'm better than your dad. Boy, you know I spaz. I got hold, man. She got, Folks when I always talking on that. You know what I'm saying, real life, though. Folks when I talking on that. Get real. Yo. Cuz, why you looking like that? Like, what y'all looking at?
You?
What's up? Bro, like, we having a stand contest, like, the freaks, how they doing, bro? Weird. That's kids, bro. That's kid energy. We need grown woman energy, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
This one get on Monkey, bro. Like, these fake gangsters on here, bro. Like, it's my pain.
Bro, why your hat so small?
It's an energy, you can't hear my pain. But you have a eye piercing, bro. Eyebrow piercing. Be quiet. I had small. I mean, I don't care. Yo,
Okay.
how y'all doing? Whoa, 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 whoa. I ain't even did nothing, bro. Freak, they aimed the gun at me, bro. Hands up, don't shoot. Bro, you is not from Bel Air, bro. You is not from Bel Air. Hey, say, you is not from Bel Air. But now you ain't want to say nothing, bro. You ain't from no Bel Air, bro. You is not. Oh. First Prince, you is not First Prince, bro. Something made me mad, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Bro, why is y'all in the dark?
That's how Jackie's gonna look when he older. I promise you.
No, we so nice. Like, you wanna be friends with us?
No, bro. Y'all, I don't even know. No.
Why not?
No.
Because you
Don't
don't
skip
know what.
us. Chill out, chill out, chill
No.
out.
No, bro. No. Yo,
How old are you?
19. How old are you?
14.
FBI, open up!
Talking about 14. kick rocks. Listen, hit me, little boy, you better kick rocks. It's a grown man, little girl, you better kick rocks. Y'all, wake up, little bro. Why? Get your boy. Get up. That's a hard picture back there too, though. Yeah. Give me them glasses. I'm robbing you while you sleep. Give me all that. Run that. Run them glasses. Run that blanket. All that. I need it. Oh yeah. What that is? A JBL speaker? Oh yeah, I need that too. Oh yeah. I like them lights back there. I'll take that with me too. Yeah, put it all in the sack, man. Nah, I'm for real. Give me all that. Run it. Run it. Run it. Whoa. Whoa. 103. Cuz they say you 103, bro. What's up? You. Oh my gosh. Come on.
Bro, you better watch out.
What?
You about to get scooped up a lot.
I'm about to get. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all got one more time, bro. Y'all got one more time.
Hey, Shaq, what going on? Shut your bitch ass up, boy.
Well, you see how he skipped though.
Yeah. That little ass cow.
Bro, I'm getting tired of y'all saying that jump, bro. I'm getting tired of y'all saying that.
You in
Bro.
jail? You in jail, little bro?
Watch that little bro word, bro.
Yo, yeah.
Put your face on the camera, bro. Put your face on the camera.
What?
Put your
Put
face.
my face in the camera.
Bro, you ashamed, bro. If you ashamed, just say that, bro. It cool. We all can't look as good as me. We all can't look as good as me, bro. It's alright. Maybe one day. They want to get on my cap, bro. I really get to find folks up on it. They kind of small, but leave me alone. Leave me alone.
They said the truth would set you free, but I wouldn't know cause all my secrets I had to keep. I locked my heart inside a place without a key. Me and bro the same, they look at man and look at me.